To pay bills from the M&T Bank app, start by downloading and installing the app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and log in to your account using your user ID and password. If you are a first-time user, you will need to enroll in online banking by clicking on the Enroll Now option and following the prompts. After logging in, navigate to the Bill Pay section of the app, which can be found on the main menu or dashboard. Click on the Pay Bills option and select the account you want to use to pay your bills. You can choose from your checking or savings account. Next, add a payee by clicking on the Add Payee option and entering the payee's name, address, and account number. You can also add a payee from your existing payee list if you have paid them before. Enter the payment amount and the payment date, and select the frequency of the payment, such as one-time or recurring. Review your payment details to ensure everything is accurate. Then click the Submit button to schedule your payment. You will receive a confirmation message once your payment has been scheduled. You can also view your payment history and track the status of your payments in the app. To set up recurring payments, go to the Payee's Details page and click on the Edit option. Select the Recurring Payment option and choose the frequency and duration of the payments. You can also set up payment reminders to notify you when a payment is due. Best practices for using the M&T Bank app to pay bills include setting up payment reminders, tracking your payment history, and keeping your account information up to date. It is also important to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and tips, you can easily pay your bills using the M&T Bank app and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility of online bill pay. The app is available 24/7, allowing you to pay your bills at any time and from any location, making it a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances.